Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Geek Pratik. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press that bell. So let's start the video now. Welcome friends to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial we are gonna learn how to create a simple animated video graphic, subscribe button and bell intro, and we are gonna do only smart work, no hard work here. It's very easy. First of all, you need a good best video editing software for Android, that is kinemaster. Download it, go to the plus button, select aspect ratio. You know that the standard ratio for YouTube videos is 16:9. Now this is the UI, user interface of this video editing app. It's very simple. We are gonna add a media here. I will add a background instead. Click. Now we will need a green screen video which we will download from Pixabay. So friends, we will simply Google Pixabay. Then we will download the animated subscribe bell intros from there. So we will have to simply search what we want, that is subscribe. So as you can see, there are subscribe intros but images, not video. We want is video. So in the video section you can see there are end screen intros, subscribe bell intros. This one is the one I used, so you can freely download it from this site Pixabay and use that in your videos for free. I have already downloaded it. As we have downloaded that 8-second animated green screen video, now we will head to layer to add in media. Go to downloads green screen video. Now crop according to your needs, then click OK. We will just adjust it, extend the widescreen. Now click that green screen video, go down, chroma key, enable it, so the background green screen will disappear. You can see a well done animated video at the cost of just smart work. Friends, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe me for latest editing tutorials and related techniques.